Restoration means to me a new beginning for our tribal people. When we were terminated, a lot of our people had nothing. They had a few dollars to be able to pay for, food and clothing and things like that after termination. But when we were terminated, we had nothing. A lot of the people lost their homes and property because they had no money to pay for their property taxes or anything like that. But after we were reinstated, I worked for the tribe in 1986 when that happened, and people were so happy. People were shouting in the streets and praising the Lord because, we have something now. People tried to tell us that we were nobody because we were not a tribe anymore. But you can't sign a paper and take that away from somebody. And it just meant that we were given another chance, and I appreciated everything that the executive committee did, and people that went back to Washington and lobbied for us to be able to be restored. And today I still remember them, and I appreciate all the time and energy it took for them to travel back there and talk to the Senate committee and make their points known. And I'm happy today.